How to remove text from a video in CapCut. Hey there, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. To remove the text from a video in your CapCut, launch a CapCut application and select on the project in which you wish to remove the text. Now for an example, if you have just recently added a text in your video, then you can easily remove it by clicking on the X button right at the top in the text box. If not, you can scroll until you see the option of delete and tap on it. However, if there is a pre-existing text from a saved video as a project, then you might not be able to remove it. So in that case, what you can do is you can use some of the simple hack such as adding sticker on top of it so that you can hide it. So for an example, if this is the pre-existing text right here and I'm not being able to remove it, all you need to do is click on the sticker icon and select on a preferred sticker from the collection of stickers right here. Then what you will do is you will just place it right over here at the top, then tap on the tick mark. This is how you can hide a text from a video if you cannot remove it in your CapCut. Hopefully you found this informative and helpful to you, and thank you so much for tuning in.